Welcome to Pumpkin Patch and Corn Maze!
Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Taves Family Farms and Applebarn here in Abbotsford. Join me as we go around your pumpkin patch and discover different kinds of pumpkins and squash. Tara! Samahan niyo ako! Let's go sa go!
754. So guys, first step is to scan the QR code para ma-monitor nila kung sino yung papasok. So, na-scan na natin, in-enter ko na yung name. Kukunin lang naman nila yung name and yung phone number. So, may record na sila kung sino yung mga guests nila. So, your number is 2875. So, ganun lang naman. And let's go. And then, may sanitizer din sila. So, very safe. So, let's go to the country store kung saan kukuha ng tickets. So, dito makikita nyo may mga arrows din. Pero since sobrang aga natin, walang katao-tao. Parang sa atin lang yung sa atin lang yung buong farm. On this pumpkin side are different kinds of pumpkins.
Pero may nalaki
Yeah, ang laki ng pumpkin. So, andito naman tayo ngayon sa pumpkin garden where you can see a lot of pumpkins. This is the biggest pumpkin na nakita ko. Wow! So, here makikita nyo yung different pumpkins. So, we have sugar pumpkin. So, it says here, great for baking. Acorn squash. So, the green one. And a butternut squash. Pero wala na. So there is
weird do, tinan mo, parang
Turk's turban squash.
Parang pinagdugtong.
Yeah, that's why it's called Turk's ang tawag na turban squash kasi para siyang turban. Delicata squash. Delicata squash. Ay, wala sila. Yun yung ganyan Yan, ganyan ang delicata squash. And this one is Lil Pumpkemon. Pero hindi din available. So, ito yung itsura nyo. So, this is a sunlight pumpkin. It's called sunlight kasi mukha siyang sun. And here, ang dami pang pumpkins na ang lalaki. So, the common pumpkin that you see during Halloween season. So, there you go. Ang laki ng pumpkin dun sa ilalim. So, what do you call that? Oh, there's another one here. This is heirloom pumpkins. Truly unique pumpkins. Oh, this is the Cinderella pumpkin. Remember the Disney? Ito yung ginamit ni Cinderella na mag-turn ng karawahe. Tagal. Karawahe. Pumpkin into carriage. So, this one. What's this?
Yung character din sa cars na.
Oh, yeah, they transform it. Their truck into yung red cars. Oh, sa taas, ewan ko kung anong pwede mong gawin. Ah, I see. This path is... Yeah, this path is for the goat.
Goat.
Hindi ako yung goat, yun yung goat.
Sarap yan, no? Kainin. Mag-uwi tayo.
Kung mamamasyal kayo sa ganito is maaga para iwas din. And today is Friday. So usually madaming tao pag weekends. So mag-sanitize muna tayo for safety. Dito sa store nila, nagbebenta sila ng hard and soft apple cider. I don't know the difference of that.
Here in their country store, they sell fresh produce as well as baked goods, fresh preserved juices, homemade preserves, and more. We also have here a beehive viewing window where we can see bees in action making honey. are all the Taves signature apple, which we'll be picking later in this vlog. The Jonna Gold apples, it is a cross between a Jonathan and a Golden Delicious. Jonna Gold has a short season compared to other apple varieties, making it one to seek out in the fall and winter months. The farming operation now grows 60 acres of produce where they harvest everything from eggplant and heirloom tomatoes to a variety of cranks and berries to apples and pumpkins.
So first things first, before going to pick apples, we'll go first to pumpkin patch. We have here our maps na binigay lang nila. So susundan lang natin to.
Taves Farm and Applebarn is a family owned in the Fraser Valley. They offer a variety of fun for all ages activities. They got a Farmville area for children to enjoy. This includes pedal carts, jumping pillow, hay rides, zip line, and slides. They also got a petting barn where you can see different animals such as the goat, chickens, pheasants, turkey, etc., etc., etc. You can feed the animal as well. You only have to buy feed bags, which only cost $2. Is it amazing? Char.
Oh, hello!
Sabi na mati.
Chickens!
Hello, Pablo.
Yeah. There's a turkey over there. Hello! Hello, hello, hello! So this is a pumpkin patch and corn maze.
Mukhang peke. Nabubulok na oh.
Yeah. Hello guys! Welcome to pumpkin patch and corn maze!
Kababain.
So this is the pumpkin patch. Welcome. Oh, do not enter. So saan tayo mag-enter?
Ewan ko.
So this is the funky pumpkin. Yan. Oh, ang dami nang nasisirang pumpkins. So sundan lang natin yung ano. May ano sila doon. Nandun yung hay ride nila. Yung yellow. May amoy.
Ang dami ko alamang.
Parang mix. No, it's a mixture of alamang and dang. I don't know if it's a chicken or
Aladang.
kung anong klaseng dang. Pero on my side, on my right side is a corn maze and a pumpkin patch. And on my left side is an apple orchard na paubos na. So mamaya pupunta tayo sa kabila. Guys, maglalakad-lakad lang tayo dito sa patch. And ang dami-dami. Ang dami ding mga apple around the patch. Pero yun nga, on this side, wala na daw mapipik. So, we'll just go to the other side at kung ano yung mapipitas natin, yun yung bibilhin. So, kanina, nasa store, nag-iisip na ako ano yung mga recipe na pwedeng gawin. Like apple pie, apple sauce. Ano kasi yun? Kanina, ang dami kong nakita. We have here a small pumpkin. So, hindi pa ito yung malaking pumpkin. That's just a normal. Parang ganda ng shape. So, perfect. So, actually, ito na yon. Ito lang yon yung pumpkin patch. So, dito, kumpul-kumpul na pumpkin.
Bulok na nga sila.
Oo, nasisira na sila. Pero ang lalaki. Ito ang lalaki. Ayan o. So, pwede pa tayong pumunta doon. Lakad-lakad lang. Okay naman yung panahon. Hindi maaraw. Hindi din umuulan. In-expect namin uulan.
Kaya sinabi mo, makulimlim na.
On this side, sobrang lalaki ng pumpkins compared to that side. Tapos, ang pumpkin dito is pahaba. Doon bilog. May mga ano pa yung mga apple eh. Silipin natin, may mga bunga yung apple tree. So, I think this one is also a Fuji apple. So, sobrang baba nila. Papakita ko lang. Though it's not too late para mag-apple picking, may mga natitira pa.
Hindi pa yung
Yeah. Though yan is hindi pa hinog. So magmamala Snow White ba tayo dito? Charot. Kala mo naman naghahanap ng Prince Charming. It's nice here. Nalulungkot yung asawa ko. Hindi naman. Because it's my first time. Oh, look! Sa iisang puno lang. Grabe. Look at those apples. Ang dami. Diba? There you go. Sa ilalim. Dami. Pero bawal pitasin. Sabi may goji berry din daw dito. Pero di ko alam kung saan yung mga goji berry na yun. So this is the end of pumpkin patch. May ano din dito. Upuan sa simbahan. Is, 'di ba? Upuan sa simbahan.
Ayun,
'Di ba? 'Di ba? Oh. Upuan to sa simbahan, kinuha lang nila. Ito yung daan ng tractor. Tapos itong daan na to, I think iikot to sa buong farm. So 10:30 pa available ang tractor. So kaya naglalakad-lakad lang kami.
Hindi na natin kailangan yun mamaya.
Yan, pupunta na kami sa apple orchard sa kabilang side.